To begin the TD Bank mortgage application process, first, gather all necessary documents, including identification, income verification, and credit reports. It is essential to have a clear understanding of your financial situation before proceeding. Next, visit the TD Bank website or mobile app to start your application. Click on the Mortgage tab and select the type of mortgage you are interested in, such as a new purchase or refinance. You will then be prompted to enter your personal and financial information, including your name, address, income, and employment history. TD Bank also offers a pre-approval process, which can give you an idea of how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. To get pre-approved, you will need to provide detailed financial information, including your credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and assets. Once you have completed the application, you can submit it for review. A TD Bank representative will contact you to discuss your application and request any additional information needed. It is crucial to respond promptly to any requests to avoid delays in the process. After your application is approved, you will receive a commitment letter outlining the terms of your mortgage, including the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment terms. Carefully review this letter to ensure you understand all the conditions. Throughout the application process, it is vital to be patient and thorough. Make sure to ask questions if you are unsure about any part of the process. TD Bank also offers mortgage specialists who can guide you through the application and provide personalized advice. In conclusion, applying for a TD Bank mortgage requires careful planning and attention to detail. By gathering all necessary documents, understanding the application process, and being responsive to requests, you can ensure a smooth and successful experience. Remember to review your commitment letter carefully and do not hesitate to ask for help when needed.